Ever notice how life feels a little warmer when there's a dog in it? They notice the world in ways we have forgotten to. And how turn empty spaces into company. They remind us it's okay not to be perfect. They give joy without asking for anything back. And when the world feels heavy, they somehow make it lighter. In a world that moves too fast, they're the reason some moments are worth slowing down for. That's what Tailsure is built for. Essentials that keep every walk, every cuddle, every little thing they love safe, happy, and close. Follow Tailsure for more moments that make a dog's world complete.